All right, guys. It looks like it keeps going up. It looks pretty treacherous, real wet and slimy, but it looks worth doing. There's one obstacle at the bottom of this trail right here as we come down, but you'll see in a second, it's well worth it. It's what we're out here for, right?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we seem to have reached what appears to be a pretty substantial water crossing. Not because the water's deep, but because these rocks, as you can see right there, Master Luke is sliding all over the place. It's very, very slippery. So we're gonna try to navigate our way through this little watery wonderland. We're gonna start with Mr. Mendo because that's how he rolls, yo.
Biggest balls first.
Master Luke! Master Luke, you gonna do like...
Yeah, once we get in here.
You don't want to get over there, Chris?
Your back tire's gonna be so slippery. I don't know, dude. It's so slippery. It's like... But look what's on the other side.
What if you get an anchor, like Seth anchors you up front? Oh, how about closer to where Mike is gonna go, on the left side, on the right side?
I guess it's just gonna slide in, and if I stop, it's gonna fall over. This is like the most slippery thing I've ever been on. I'm not very comfortable charging it. I want to see you do it, but I don't want to really do it.
I don't want to do it either.
What? We're just gonna crash and hurt ourselves. I can't see it. I'm pretty.
Well, what if we do like an anchor, like a little chain? Each person gets in the water and just walks next to the guy.
I don't even think we can walk them across.
No, walking next to the guy? Like,
I don't know, dude. I wouldn't feel comfortable walking next to the guy. You want to volunteer for that job?
well, actually what would be best is taking the boots off.
Yeah, barefoot would get a lot more traction.
That's where you'd have to...
All I know is just getting over here, it's like...
What do you think, Mike?
Yeah,
what's your analysis?
Going deep already. Go right through it. I'll try it. If I eat shit, I eat shit.
I'll try it too. I think I'm gonna hit that outer route right there.
But
Luke,
I kind of like this right here.
is that moss slippery?
Oh yeah. The moss is even slippery.
No, sometimes the moss underwater is not slippery. Whoa.
Is that moss?
Hold on, watch. I bet it isn't slippery.
It's really slippery on the rocks, but once you get in the moss, like, it's really good traction.
See? Really good traction in the moss. That's what I was looking for. Yeah, see, this is... There's
It actually is better.
a lot of traction in the moss.
It actually is better traction.
It's really good traction. So once you're down off of this hellhole, you're probably fine.
Yeah.
And then if we walk each bike down to the mossy wetness, we should be good to go.
Someone help me get my bike down, yeah.
All right. It's this outside of the water stuff that's slippery. You gonna ride it through, Mike? Yep. Wait, Mike! Oh my God. Easy. That was pretty damn good.
I'm impressed actually.
That was really good. Like his footwork was.
I'm gonna go see if it even goes anywhere.
Oh yeah, good call.
Hey Mike, keep taking the trail and see if it goes anywhere.
We just had Mike trek off after his successful first attempt water crossing, and he ventured off into the wilderness.
Here,
and
come down on the corner over here.
he came back with some valuable information. Mr. Mike right now is akin to one of the world's great pioneers, a Christopher Columbus, if you will.
When you walk up, it comes along the edge and it drops way up on top there, not along the side, it goes way up top.
How far up did you go?
I'll show you on the video here.
Oh, you went way further than this?
Oh yeah, that's why it took me so long.
Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, that's the first. Oh, this is.
No, this is nothing really. When you're coming up, is going to be a bitch coming back. Watch.
I think this is. I think that's the end of the road, right? Oh. No. Yeah. Oh no, there's no way. There's no way. Not in this way.
Past that, you cross over there. You see that green?
Yeah.
And that trail shoots straight up, hooks around, and then goes up on top up there, along the side a little bit, but way up top.
Maybe on a dry day with those trials tires, like you were saying.
Trials tires on it, yeah. But right now, coming back up this way.
There's no way. What we'd want to do is like venture off and figure out where this leads to in the other direction. Then we can be confident going down this thing, knowing that we're at least going to get out.
Get out going that way.
Right.
Yeah, but hey, look, I'll show you on this.
Okay.
It looks pretty cool.
Sweet. Mike signing out. Yes! Oh my gosh, that was like the Armageddon of water crossings. Mr. Mendo crossing it up.